All right, everybody, I told you to take a 10 minutes break. Mohammed Saqib, Mohammed Mohammadi, come on, break. Zainab, you logged in a rights class. Zainab, I'll help you.
Just check whether you have done it correctly or not. Repeat and check it whether you have done it okay or not. Okay. So then you will not be doing the silly mistakes. Okay. Okay. And also I want all of you to know that, see, you should do the assignments regularly, because that I give you for maths practice, and practice is very important. See, although you know the concept, everything is fine, but if you don't write and do it in the notebook, then you won't be in the exam also, you will get confused and you won't be able to do it. Okay, so that is why I keep on giving you assignment. I have not received yet, just gave you 3 simple questions only from the book. Remember page number 15. Yeah, can you stop chatting? Rashta, you are there? India at my house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you're longing to go back to USA? What I'm telling you, just do the assignment. I got assignment, 3 assignments I have got.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask you something.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, actually there is an internet issue amongst our house, so can we keep our camera off today?
Okay, that is fine. For today, you can keep it off. If there is some internet problem, you can keep your camera off. Otherwise, if no issue is there, you can switch it on, because I am able to see you, then only I can explain you in a better way. Okay. So that is why I keep on pressurizing to switch on the camera. If you're facing internet problems, you can switch off your camera. Okay. Okay. So I was telling you about the assignment. Please complete your assignment today. Again, I'll be giving you another assignment. So week may, though assignment is fine, just solve few questions I'm giving you, okay, because everything we can't solve in class. Yeah,
I did that assignment, but what happened, I was at my grandmother's house and I didn't take my book there, so that's why I did it in the class only, but I forgot to put it in the classroom.
Okay, no problem. Just and also second point, just click clear pictures, because it gets very difficult for me to check if it is not clear, because after zooming also I'm not able to see the answers. Okay, then I won't be able to check it properly. So please clean pictures, and or you can and upload also.
Ma'am,
yes,
the one maths homework, I did it.
But you have not uploaded, Aisha. I got only Hamza, Hamdan and Rashta's homework. Okay, so let us start. Yeah, somebody is speaking?
Because of internet problems, I'm sitting in my father's laptop and I can't switch on my video.
Okay, Juveria, you are who is speaking? Juveria or?
Yes, ma'am, I'm sitting in my father's laptop.
Okay.
I can't switch on my video.
Okay, fine, no problem. Those who are facing internet issues, you can switch off your camera and just speak up whenever there is a doubt. Okay. So let us start. I'll start with the class today. We are going to do again the same concept that we were doing. Juveria?
Yes, ma'am.
Juveria, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you make me the host?
Okay.
Or can you stop this chat? Okay? Because I'm not able to close the chat. Okay, now I found. Yes. Now everyone please pay attention and stop chatting. So all of you can see this screen. No, this is not working. Okay, we are going to do a magic square. You can see a square over here. Two numbers are written in the square. You have to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8 without any repetition, so that each row and each column adds up to 15. Okay, so first one, already you have got two numbers, so this is easier to fill. What number am I going to fill over here?
One.
Ma'am,
One.
can you start
One.
You can answer one. So
One.
this I write 1.
One.
Okay, now this row, which numbers you will write, just think about, make this square in your notebook and see which numbers you will put, because there shouldn't be any repetition. So do it in your notebook and give me the numbers. What numbers are
Ma'am,
you?
8 and 6. 8 and 6.
Ma'am, can you listen me?
Yes, Yahya.
Ma'am, I was not there, so can you tell it again?
Yeah. See, this is a square and you have to fill the numbers, fill the squares, fill the blocks with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. So that each line comes up to 15. So this line is filled. 9 plus 5 plus 1 is 15. Again 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6 is 15. Now what else you will write in this line? And this,
Ma'am, 3 plus
the number should not be repeated. So you have to write the numbers 8 and 6 already gone. So what are the numbers left? Left numbers are 4, 3, 2, 7. Correct?
ma'am, 8 plus 2,
8 plus 2, okay.
2 plus 4, no,
Plus
plus 3,
No, I should make it 15.
5.
So 5 cannot be there because 5 is already written over here. So I cannot write 5. So this is wrong combination. Any other
Ma'am,
combination?
1 plus
8.
4
Ma'am,
4 plus
8
2, 8 plus
3
4 plus 2
plus 4.
plus 4
Just a
plus
moment.
8 plus 4 plus
This
2.
was 8, okay? And this was 1, and this was
1 and 6.
this is
Ma'am, I
correct.
am talking about the upper part.
Upper part. What should I write over here?
8
3
plus
and 4. 3 plus 4
8
and
plus
8.
3, 8 plus
3
4
plus
plus
4 plus 8.
Okay, Muhammad.
Are
Okay,
3.
4 plus 3. Correct?
Ma'am, 492. Ma'am, 492.
9, 4, and correct. Here I'll write 2.
Shush. 7.
7, ma'am. 7.
The numbers are not repeated, and this is the answer. Okay? So 4, 3, 8, all the sides. Just check all the sides. Is it adding to 15? Is it adding to
Yes.
15? 7
Yes.
plus
Ma'am.
2,
Yes, ma'am.
9.
We are genius.
Yes, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6. So this is a magic square completed.
Ma'am, do more na, ma'am.
Let us complete
It
our
is very
syllabus.
nice.
Next time I'll give you another magic square, okay?
Magic square.
Okay, now today we are going to do missing digits. We have already done addition. Now, suppose this type of question is given. All of you just mute yourself. Everyone mute. Yeah. So these are the two numbers which you have to add. You have got answer also, but these blocks are blank. You have to fill the missing digits. Now, how do we do? Suppose this here it is 6 plus 9 is 15. So carry 1. 1 goes over here. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So you will write 2 over here. Carry 1 over here. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Till here it is correct. 14. So carry 1. 1 will go here.
4.
If I write 1 over here, my pen color is... Okay. So if you
3.
write... So
3.
what is it? 3 plus 1,
1,
4.
1.
What will you
3
add? Number you will add over here
4
on...
plus 3, 7.
Okay. So no, it is already 4. So here you will write 3. Okay. Because 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13 plus 1, 14. Carry 1 comes over here. So 3 plus 1, 4. And 4 may what number you will add so that it becomes 7. So you will
3.
add, so you will put a 3 over
Ma'am,
here.
ma'am,
Yes.
8 plus 9 equals to 17.
Correct.
8 plus 9, ma'am. Equals 17.
What number you will add over here to make it 17?
9.
So you will make it 9 over here. So this is the way how do we do. Now this question, this question is not done. So we'll do it together. 9 plus 3. What is 9 plus 3?
12.
12.
12.
Carry 1. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 may what number you will add to make it 2?
5.
5.
5.
5.
5.
12 12. Again 5 plus 5 plus 1. What is the number?
11.
11. 1 and carry on.
Carry 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10
3. 3.
3.
3. 3.
is 13. So 1 again over here. 8 plus 1, 9.
13. 13.
13.
13.
13.
The missing number in case of missing digits in case of addition. Now some more question. Now 7 may what will you add to make it 9?
2.
7 plus 2 is 9. Now in 8,
5.
what
5.
will
5.
you need to make it 3? 3 can be
5.
5.
5.
5, ma'am.
5, ma'am. 5.
13, 3. So I'll put a carry over here. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So that is your answer. Now coming to this question. 4 may, what will you add to make it 2? You have to make it 12 because 2 is there. 4 is 12. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry over goes over here. 6 plus 1 is 7. In 7,
4.
you
4.
is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, more question. Ma'am, more
Ma'am,
question.
no, ma'am, I did not understand. Can you explain again?
Okay.
It is so easy.
Pay attention.
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
I'll give you other questions to write it in the notebook. Do your assignments. Huh? This we are
Ma'am,
doing
give
it.
this in homework, ma'am. Give this in homework.
Okay, I'll send you this in homework.
Ma'am, did you
Ma'am.
get my assignment?
Who's- Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yes, Juvelia.
Juvelia, I didn't get your assignment. On
Ma'am, I
Google,
sent it on Google Classroom only.
you sent it today or yesterday?
Before yesterday. One day
I
before
have
that.
not received it. I'll check it once again. Just
Okay.
Ma'am,
because I
ma'am,
don't,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, yeah.
ma'am, do you have given the answer? Means I told you that for the second of 1C, the second guy I did not know how to do it. So can you explain it?
I think I have answered.
We have to round it.
Ma'am, can you explain this again?
Okay, let me explain this
Please.
again, Yasna, then I'll come back to your question. Okay, see, now everyone be quiet. Let me explain this and then I'll ask you question. Okay, see, whenever blank is there, suppose I'm just erasing it and then I'm doing it again so that you understand. See, dash plus 4 is 2. Now, when you add something in 4, you cannot get a lesser number. That means you are adding something in 4 to make it 12. Is it clear? 4 may, you cannot add something to make it 2. So that means you are adding something in 4 to make it 12. So that 1 goes over here. So what will you add in 4 to make it 12? What will you add?
8.
8. So I'll write over here. So 8 plus 4 is 12, but 1 I have to carry over to the next digit. Now 6 plus 1 is 7, right? Now I already know.
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
No, Umar, don't write it now. I will send you questions in homework. Those questions you do in homework, in the notebook. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now what will you add in 7 to make it 1? 1 means you cannot make add something in 7 to make it 1. You have to add something to make it 11. So what will you add in 7 to make it 11?
5.
5, ma'am.
5.
7,
5.
4.
just 7 and 5. What is the answer?
4.
4, na? 7 and 5 is 12. So 7 and 4 is, because 6 you are not adding, you are adding it to 7. 6 plus 1 is 7 and then 4 is 11. Again carry over goes over here. Then you are getting the right answer. See, 3 plus 1, 4 and 4, 8. So this shows that your answer is.
Can I do one? Can I do after this one, sir?
Now you do. Now
After Ibrahim, I will do, ma'am.
okay, after Ibrahim, this one Abdullah will do.
Ma'am,
Okay,
8 plus 8, 16. Ma'am, 8, you will add 8.
8, 16.
And then this will, 16 will become, then we'll carry on.
Yes,
And
so
then
1.
1 plus 0 is 1 only. And we have to make 12. So we will add.
Why will you make 12? You
No,
will make it
1. We have
1
to add 1, then it will be 2.
1. Yeah, 2.
So 1 plus 1 is
And
2.
we will not carry on.
No
We will
carry
not
over.
carry on. No.
So 3 plus 2, 5. Yes, Abdullah. Next one,
I
Abdullah.
thought
ma'am, next one is-
in every blanks. Ma'am, I
7,
thought
ma'am.
that in
Ma'am,
every
7.
blanks we have to do carry on.
Arey, हाँ, Ibrahim, ma'am. 7, ma'am, 7.
The next
7.
one can I do?
Then we have to do your 6, ma'am. 6.
4 plus 6 is 10. Then
1.
You have to-
So it will be barabar, ma'am.
so
4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1.
yes,
6.
correct. Going to the next question now. Okay. Okay, Aisha Aga, will you do the next question? 7 plus what is 9?
Ma'am,
7.
7 plus 2 is 9.
Okay, so I'll write 7 plus 2, 9. Then 4 plus what is 7?
3.
Ma'am, 3.
3 is 7. And then 2
Five.
plus 4
Five.
is
5.
5.
Five.
Correct. Okay.
Ma'am, I want
Ma'am,
to
can I tell the next one? Ma'am, can I tell the next one?
7 plus 1, 8.
Ma'am, mute everybody, ma'am.
4
Let
plus 2, 6.
Okay,
you
Hamza,
give chance.
2
after
plus 6,
Yahya,
8.
Hamza's turn. So
Ma'am,
Yahya,
I want to
7
answer.
plus 1,
8. 8.
8. What is dash plus 4?
2.
2.
2 plus 4.
4 is 6. What will you add in 2 to make it 8?
6.
6. 6.
6. Okay, Hamza, what is the next one? What number you will
1
add
plus
in 1
6.
to make it 7?
1 plus 6.
Everyone be quiet. Let Hamza answer. Yes, 1
Ma'am,
plus.
only Abdullah and Mohammed Saqib is doing.
Yes, 1 plus what is 7, Hamza? What will you add in 1 to make it 7? 6. Hamza, you are answering.
6.
Come on. Unmute yourself and answer, Hamza.
Ma'am, Muhammad Saqib is answering.
Yes, Hamza. What will you
And
add
Abdullah Patel.
to make it 9?
Yes.
Hamdan, you tell. What will you add in 4 to make it 9? Umar, what will you add in 4 to make it 9?
Ma'am,
Correct.
can I answer?
5.
5.
5.
Okay. 4 plus 3.
6.
Okay. Now 5 plus Muhammadi. 5
Four.
plus 4 is 9.
4.
4 plus 5, 9.
2 plus
5
what?
plus 2. 5 plus 2.
Ma'am,
5.
can I
5.
answer?
5 plus
To make it
5,
7.
ma'am. 5 plus 2.
5 plus 2.
6. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6.
2 plus 6.
Okay. Anas, 2 plus what number is 7? What will you add in 2 to make
5.
it 7?
5.
Can I say the next
5.
Five, ma'am. 5.
Please, I'm
5.
telling, I'm calling your names and that person will answer.
3.
If
3.
you are not answering, please say that
3,
you
ma'am. 3. 3.
3.
3.
3. 3. 3. 3. 3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
4. 4. 4.
4.
3 plus 4. 3 plus 4.
3
4.
plus 4, 7.
4. 4.
0, ma'am. Next one.
4
0.
0. 4 0. 0 0 0 0 0 0.
4.
4 4 4 4 4.
Ma'am, can I answer the next one?
Ma'am, I want to tell something.
2.
Yes. What do you
Ma'am,
want?
I was telling, ma'am, everyone is telling, so
Let her tell now. We are telling. We
Yes.
can.
Everyone be quiet, and now I'm going to see these are easy questions you are able to do. Now, what is 9 plus 3?
12. 12. 12.
12. Carry on.
How many Juverias are there in the class? I didn't know that. So many Juverias are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
2.
ma'am, in the next question, can I answer the next
Yes,
question?
Juveria. What is 9 plus 3?
Yeah, you can. Anytime answer.
9 plus 3 is
12.
12. I will
Write 2 over here.
carry 1.
12.
Here, Juveria. 2 plus 3.
4.
3.
4.
4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4.
Okay.
2 2
So,
2 2 2 2 2
2.
2 is
2 2 2 2.
8. Okay. 3 plus 2, what will I write? Okay, I'm doing
5.
it.
5. 9 plus 7 is
7 plus 9
16 16 16 16 16 16 16
16.
6 will be down and 1 will be up.
16
And then
1 will be
Ma'am,
one
one,
carry
one,
on.
1 plus
1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1
1.
Done
No,
done done
you
done.
repeat so many times. Why do you make so much of noise? Huh?
Ma'am, we love maths.
You love math? That's
As
good.
the sir told us. Ma'am, I
Ma'am.
got nice marks now.
Everyone has got good marks.
Ma'am, we love maths because you teach nicely.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am. Our
Yes,
previous
ma'am.
school teacher didn't teach nice only. We finished the
समझी
whole
आती
book
नहीं
and
थी।
she never-
See,
Ma'am, ma'am,
she told if you want to ask.
see,
Yes.
listen. If you don't practice at home, even if I teach nicely, you won't be able to get marks. So that is why I keep on telling you, do math at home, revise whatever is done in the class so that you don't forget it. Because maths you have to remember always, lifelong. Because these things you have
Ma'am, I got in maths 100.
Okay, now in subtraction, what do we do? Now just
Ma'am,
every...
I got 89.
Okay, very good. Okay, now listen, be quiet, everyone mute yourself. Let me explain this missing digits in subtraction. How do we do this? Okay. Now in subtraction is not that easy.
ma'am,
and,
our marks, where did it come, our marks?
it is given to everyone.
Report card came.
Yeah, ma'am.
Report card.
Report card came. I got 97. I got 97 in maths.
I got 89 in maths.
I got 100 out of 100 in maths.
Who got 100? 100 nobody has got.
Ma'am, I got, ma'am.
You got 99? Yahya got 99.
No, I got 100, ma'am.
Okay, you got 100. That's great.
No, you got 99. Maybe. As ma'am is telling.
Ibrahim,
She
Ibrahim,
corrected the
you did
paper,
not.
so how could you
Ibrahim, you did not see my paper, so don't tell.
Okay, now I
But
don't want to
ma'am
discuss
corrected
maths.
the paper, so she knows.
Ibrahim, can you be quiet? Everyone be quiet now. I don't want to discuss anybody's marks. Now, please pay attention what I am explaining you, okay? Now see, whenever subtraction is there, what happens when missing numbers are there? Suppose in this question, pay attention everyone, I won't repeat it. If I need to repeat, you have to go to the recording and watch the recording, okay? So pay attention when I am explaining. Now 2 minus something is 8. Now you cannot subtract from 2 anything, any number which gives you 8. that means it is understood that it should be 12. Okay, if you subtract something from 12, you will get 8. So you have to just use common sense and see that. Abdullah, pay attention. Pay attention over here.
Ma'am, that 1 will become 0.
Go step by step. So you cannot subtract anything from 2 to make it 8. So that is understood that it should be 12. And if you subtract something from 12, you can get 8. So what will
is it 4?
12, you will subtract 4. But since you made it 12, I think you should make this as 0 because you have borrowed 1 from here. Now, if this is 0, 0 minus 7, you cannot subtract anything from 0. So what will you make? You will make it 10 and you will make this as 1. So 10 minus 7. What is 10 minus 7? You will get a 3 over here.
3.
This is 1. 1 minus which number will
1.
make it
1.
1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Now again from 6 you cannot subtract 7. So what I will do, I'll make it 16 and 16 minus 7, and since I'm making it 16, I'm borrowing 1 from over here. So I'll have to make it
9. 9.
16 minus 7 is how much?
9.
9 man.
4 minus
1.
what?
1 minus 4. 1 minus 4.
Okay.
4 minus 1.
Tell me, is this method clear to you all?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain again? Can you explain again?
I'm explaining this number.
Very easy.
Pay attention in the class. Okay. Now see, I'm explaining it once again in this question. 7 minus 5 is 2. That is correct. First one is done already. Now from here, I have to subtract 3 so that I get 9. So from which number I will subtract 3 to get 9?
12.
12. So that means 2 is here and I have made it 12. How will I make it 12? By making it
5.
3.
No, 3. Sorry, 3.
3, no? It's not borrow. It's not a carryover. It's borrow.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. 3.
3 minus what number is 8? That means I have to make it 13, right? I have to make it 13 and I have to subtract 1 over here. So 13 minus what number is 8?
13 minus
5, 5, 5, 5, 5.
5.
13 minus 5 is 8. Now what should I write over here so that I subtract 2 from here and I get 8? What number should be placed over here? This
Ma'am, there should be 1 and it will become 11. And minus 1 equals to 10.
Okay, if I write 1 over here, it becomes 0, correct? Very good.
Yes.
So if I write 1 over here, so subtracting 1, it becomes a 0. 0 it becomes, that means you are borrowing 1 from here. So it becomes 10. And again, yahan pe we have a minus 1. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Very good, Yahya. Then minus 1, what number should I write here to make it 2 over here? From what number I should subtract 4 to get 2? 6 minus 4 is 2?
3. 6.
6, but
Minus 4
right.
equal to 2.
7, because 7 may say borrow is gone over here. So it becomes 6 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Is it clear? I'll explain it once again. I'm just erasing it and I'm explaining it once again. See what we do.
And the second one was hard.
Second one is hard. Okay. See, there is one shortcut method also to do this question. Whenever your top number is the number from which you are subtracting is given, you can easily find out because this was easier. Now, whenever this bottom number is given, you can find out the top number just by adding it. Just see, 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 3, 12. So 2, carry 1. If you put a carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9. And 9 minus 4, now you will have to subtract here because I have not written 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 4, carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Plus 2, 10. So you will get a 0 over here. No, I think we missed something. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1. One carryover was there. So 1, 11. And again, one carryover is there. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 7. Understood what we do? Whenever this number, the bottom number is given, if you add this number and the result, you will get this number. Is it clear? Just check. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 9,
Ma'am,
12.
the upper number we will get.
No, yes, you will get the upper number. If you add this number and the result,
that only.
you will get the top number. Is it clear? But this will not happen here. Here also, if
But
you add
ma'am,
these
why
numbers,
do we do this? Because the result is already given.
because we'll do this method whenever there are missing digits in the top digits. Then only you will do this. Otherwise, you don't need. When these two numbers are given, you can easily subtract and find out. But when your result is given and this number is given and you don't know this number, then you can add and get this top number. Is it clear? Now, can we practice now? Is it clear? Should I explain again? Abdullah, is it clear to you? Abdullah,
Yes.
what are you doing? Are you seeing your report card?
No, ma'am, I don't know anything.
Huh? So what are you doing under your table?
Nothing.
You're doing something busy somewhere. Show me.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. So let us do the next question. Now this is a subtraction question. Now everyone, please don't speak together because I don't understand your answers. Okay, I'll ask.
Ma'am, can I
Okay,
tell?
from you only. Abdullah, do the
Yes.
first. 9 minus what is 6?
9 minus what is 6?
3, ma'am.
3.
Not
Three.
Abdullah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, twice.
Ma'am,
9,
3, ma'am.
3, ma'am.
3.
so only Abdullah will.
3.
3,
Okay.
ma'am.
14.
Yes. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
1 minus 3 you are doing. 1 minus 3 is
Yes.
not possible. So, what will you
Yes.
do?
Minus 1.
No, you will borrow. So, it
Yes,
is.
I will borrow. मतलब
11.
उधर से minus 1 लूँगा ना मैं.
हाँ.
उधर से 1 लूँगा तो उधर minus 1.
So, here what will be? What minus 7?
Perfect.
What you will do? You will add 7 plus 7, 14. Okay.
14.
Here you should have what? 14 means 4. But
4,
4
yes.
may. So, here you should
Three.
have what? 5
Three.
now. 5 now,
Five.
because 5 में से 1 you have, so plus 1 you will do ना.
Yes.
मतलब
See,
no
यहाँ
ma'am,
पे
3.
यहाँ पे 5 होगा तो minus 1 करने से 4 हो जाएगा, correct? And because you
yes.
have 1 over here, so 14 minus 7 is 7. Is it clear? So you are
Yes.
adding actually. यहाँ पे also you have taken a borrow. So
Yes.
यहाँ पे borrow लेके it is already 1 minus 1 is 0.
हाँ.
Okay. And 6
Then 6 minus 4.
4.
6 minus 4 is
4.
2.
4.
Is it clear, Abdullah? How do we do the subtraction one?
Yes, ma'am.
And
No,
can
ma'am,
do the
I
next
thoda
one?
I got confused. Thoda you are adding it now, right there. That's why.
Haan, because we are subtracting after adding. First we will add and then subtract because we have taken a borrow.
Ma'am, can I do a
Yes.
digit,
Ma'am,
ma'am?
can I do the next one?
Can I do the next one, ma'am?
Muhammad Saqib, next one. Ibrahim, be quiet. Yeah.
Okay.
After
I will wait for my
Ma'am,
turn.
that is 11.
No, I will do. I told.
Ibrahim, be quiet. What is Muhammad speaking? I cannot hear. Yes, Muhammad.
7. Ma'am, 7.
11 minus 4. You have to say that, ma'am.
11 minus 4, 7.
Okay. So 11 minus 4 is 7.
7.
So it is
And
1 minus what is
6.
7? So I have to make it 11 again.
Yeah,
Right?
ma'am. 6.
7 minus 6 is 7.
Now this minus
6 is 7, Muhammad.
7. Up above that 7 again.
Correct. 11 minus 6.
7. And 5 plus 3 is 10. No, 5 plus 3 is 8.
Correct. 11 minus 6.
Eight.
What is 7 minus 6?
6 is 7.
What is
11
11?
minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7.
What is 11 minus 6? It is not 6 over here. What should be there, Muhammad?
Ma'am, 5.
11 minus
5.
No, ma'am, 4. 11 minus 4 is 7, ma'am.
11
11 minus 4, ma'am.
Already you have done 11
4,
minus
4.
4. 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay, now what will you do, Muhammad?
5 plus 3 is 8.
5 plus 3, 8, correct? So here I should make it
9.
9. So one you have borrowed over here.
1 minus
We have
7
to
is
one.
6.
We have to plus 1.
1 minus 6 is 1 minus 6 is 7. 1 minus 7 is
7
6.
minus 1 is
6.
and 8
1
minus
minus 6. No, 7 minus 1.
7 minus 1 is 6 and 8 minus 6 is 2. Yes, yes, Muhammad, that is correct. Okay, next
Ma'am,
one.
can I do the next one?
No,
Ma'am, can I do please? Ma'am,
time, every time you cannot answer.
ma'am,
Aisha
can I
Aga,
tell?
Aisha Aga answer. Aisha Aga, this is an addition question. 6 plus 6 is, what is 6 plus 6? Aisha?
12.
12. So I'll write 2 over here, 1 over here. What should I write? 1 plus 1 is 2. What will you add in 2 to make it 7? Aisha Aga will answer. What will you add in 2? 1 plus
9.
2 plus what is 7? This is addition question. This is not subtraction question. Muhammad Muhammadi, what will you add in 2 to make it?
1 minute. 5. Ma'am, 9.
Why? 2 plus 9 is 7. I'm not doing subtraction. We are doing addition.
6. 6.
2 plus Muhammad Muhammadi, what is the answer? 2 plus what is?
Can I say? Ma'am, 5.
Yes. 2 plus 5 is 7. Now here 9 plus 4 is correct. 13. Carry.
Full sum done.
So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus what is 8? Hamdan. 4 plus what is 8?
4, ma'am.
Yes. 4 plus 4 is 8. Good. So this we are done. Again, one more addition is
Ma'am,
there.
can I tell the last one?
Yeah, Juveria, you are there?
No, Aisha.
Ma'am, it is me, Ibrahim.
Yeah, answer. 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3?
8.
8.
5 plus 3 is 8.
7. What is 8
8
plus?
plus 7 is 15. So 1 will go up.
Yes. 3 plus 1 is 4. What will you add in 4 to make it 9?
4 plus 5 is 9.
Okay, very good. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then 2
And
plus...
2 plus 5 is 7.
Okay. What is 3 plus 1?
4.
This thing is clear, everyone? I'm not going to do
Yes.
questions. I'll just do multiplication now. The questions, this missing number question today, I'll send you in homework. Please do this, practice at home and do it on your own. Okay? Don't copy maths answer.
Ma'am, that girl is using calculator. See, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
she is doing something in calculator, but you don't. We are doing it manually. We will not use calculator. Okay. Now multiplication of big numbers. How do? We write 2871 by 2345. So we'll write 2871 into 2345. So our aim is that we have to multiply all the digits with all these digits. So we multiply it one by one. How do? First, we'll start with the extreme right, the unit place. So I'll multiply 5 with all the 4 digits. So what will be the answer? 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, carry 3. You know how to multiply, na? Carry 3. So 5 eights are 40, 40 plus 3
Yes, ma'am.
carry
43.
and then 5 twos are 10 plus 4, 14. Now next I will start with
We will
multiplication.
add 0. We will add 0, then
Yes.
4 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 7, 4 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 2.
Multiply with 4 with all the 4 digits. So 4 ones are.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask something. Ma'am, if we multiply 4 multiplied by 8, so we have to add that 3 wala number. We have to plus that.
No, this is gone now. This was previous carry. Now you will have a new carryover. Okay?
Yeah. So I was just asking because then I get confused.
No, you have to remove it. Now when you multiply 4, you have a new carryover. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. Now your carryover is 2. Now 8 fours are 32, 33, 34. So 4 over here and 3 over here. So 4 twos are 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'll write 11. Now I'll put 2 zeros. In the last 2 places, I'll put 2
Then
zeros.
3 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by 7, 3 multiplied by 8, and 3 multiplied by 2.
Then next digit, you will put 3 zeros from the right. And then
2
you will,
multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 8, and 2 multiplied by 2.
at the end, you will add all these
All the digits.
5. This 5 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
That's a very
And this will
method.
be the
Ma'am, I like addition and subtraction more than division and multiplication.
you will be
Ma'am, can you
Multiplication
show?
is too long.
I like
Ma'am.
division.
Ma'am, can you show a shortcut method of multiplication?
what? What of multiplication, Yaya?
Shortcut method. Because it is too long.
See, shortcut methods.
And
There
there are 2 methods. You told now there are 2 methods. So show the other one.
other method I'll show you. First, listen to me. There are many methods, shortcut methods for multiplication. There are formula also for multiplication of big numbers, but formula you'll be learning later. Now I'll teach you. This is the normal method of multiplication. Now, if the numbers are in the multiples of 0, then there is a shortcut method. These numbers, these multiplication, you will do the same way as we did now. These are the without zeros multiplication. But when the zeros multiplication is there, simple method is just multiply the whole numbers and put the number of zeros. For example, 70 into 30. What do you do? 7, 3,
21, 21, 0, 0. 2, 1, 0, 0.
that is the shortcut way of doing zeros multiplication. If I want to multiply 30 into 100, what will be my
Ma'am, I did
answer?
not understand this. What you do 7 multiplied by
3,000.
10?
3,000.
I don't know.
Okay, let me explain. I'm giving you one question. Suppose my question is 200 into 40. Okay, this is my question. I have to multiply. What I will do, I don't need
So
to.
2 into 4.
I'll just do 2 into 4.
2
2
into 4
into
is 8 and
4.
8,
2 into 4. 2 into 4 is
8,000.
8,000.
8,000.
8,000.
This is my answer. How do we do this? Actually, 2 is what? 2 is 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is 200. And 40 is 4 into 10. So basically what we did, we just multiplied the numbers and it is easy to multiply tens. So 4 twos are 8 we did, and 100 into 10 is what? 1,000. 1,000 into 8 is 8,000. So no need to go for that long method. Just multiply the whole numbers and put the number of zeros present in total question. Okay. So here my answer will be 3,000 because 3 into 1 is 3. And how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So I'll put 3 zeros. What will be my next
5,000. 5,000. 5,000.
5,000.
6,000.
there?
7,000. 4,000. 9,000.
4,000, 9,000.
Yes. So this is clear.
7,000. 4,000. 9,000.
We'll put 2 0 and already 1 0 is there. So 3 zeros will be there in the question. Now here you see this question. What will we do? 30 into 4. What will be my answer? 4 into 3. What is 4 into 3? 12.
12.
12 men.
And
120.
120.
0.
What is 5 into 5?
5 into 5 is 25.
10.
250.
250.
250.
What is 80 into 3?
24.
240. 240.
A zero in your multiplication. What
80.
happens?
350.
To me, everyone. Whenever you are multiplying with zeros, children tend to forget this zero in answer. So then your answer becomes wrong because 1 you cannot write 12.
80.
Okay, 4 into 20, what is it?
80. 350.
So here it will be 350. 16 to 30 into what is 150? 10. 50 into what is 300?
6.
Or 60? 6 or 60?
4.
I'm asking this question.
6. 4.
40 into what is 160? 360.
5. No. 6. 6.
60 is there. So it is 6
6
is
36.
0.
Aha.
What is 200?
Ma'am, but it is 380. I think so.
3.
3.
Equal to 60 into what?
5.
5.
What? 360. 400 is equal to 80 into what?
80 into 2. No, sorry, not 2. 5.
2 5 is 400. Equal to 60.
4.
4.
Yes.
9.
Okay, that's the rest of the question I'll give you in homework. So I'll be giving you multiplication question in homework and missing numbers in homework. Previous assignment and this assignment, this I'll be giving you in homework, this slide. Okay?
Ma'am, so many.
Okay.
Ma'am, when we have to submit it?
This assignment you will have to submit it on next Thursday.
Next Thursday, 1 week.
1 week. So 1 week is enough time you have got. You complete this.
More than enough, ma'am.
Yes. Sit for half an hour, you will complete it. Not this will take 10 minutes.
Can you send the picture of this in Google Classroom?
I'll send it today. You complete the previous assignment because that was supposed to be submitted till today, but you have not submitted. So submit it till Saturday, and this assignment you have to submit till Thursday. Okay, is it fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Very clear.
Okay. So revise, all of you, every time revise your maths class. You have got recordings of maths class. Just go through it, what we have done in the class, so that you are ready for the next class. Fine, everyone?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.